adventure bikes, we often imagine machines built to dominate both rugged terrains and endless highways, but very few manage to balance style, power, and versatility the way the 2025 Ducati DesertX does. Ducati has taken its off-road focused adventure platform and refined it into something that feels equally capable in the desert, on mountain trails, or cruising on tarmac. The DesertX is a bold expression of Ducati's philosophy, a motorcycle that doesn't just carry you to new destinations, but invites you to embrace the spirit of exploration with Italian passion and engineering. The 2025 Ducati DesertX retains its distinctive rally-inspired design, with tall stance, aggressive lines, and functional bodywork shaped for performance. Its twin LED headlights and minimalist fairing immediately separate it from the crowd, signaling that this machine was not built to imitate, but to lead. Ducati has improved the aerodynamics and ergonomics, ensuring long-distance comfort without sacrificing the bike's raw, rugged character. It's tall, purposeful, and intimidating, yet refined in ways only Ducati can deliver. At the heart of the DesertX lies the proven 937 cubic centimeters Testastretta 11 degrees L-twin engine. For 2025, Ducati has optimized the power delivery to suit both road and off-road conditions, producing around 110 horsepower and over 90 Nm of torque. This balance gives the DesertX the muscle to power through dunes, tackle steep inclines, and cruise effortlessly at highway speeds. Combined with Ducati's advanced ride-by-wire system, multiple riding modes, and refined traction control, the DesertX offers adaptability that makes it beginner-friendly in off-road exploration yet thrilling for experienced riders who want full control. Ducati's engineers have paid special attention to suspension. The DesertX comes with fully adjustable long-travel suspension designed by Kayaba, giving riders the freedom to conquer rocky paths, gravel roads, or sandy dunes with confidence. The ground clearance is generous, while the bike maintains a surprisingly agile feel for its size. Its 21-inch front and 18-inch rear spoked wheels further enhance its true off-road capabilities, equipped with Pirelli Scorpion Rally STR tires for maximum grip and stability across varying terrains. Technology has always been a Ducati signature, and the 2025 DesertX continues this legacy. Riders are greeted by a large 5-inch TFT display that supports Ducati's advanced connectivity system. Navigation, music, calls, and even performance data are seamlessly integrated, making long rides more engaging and connected. Safety is also paramount, with features like cornering ABS, Ducati traction control, wheelie control, and good control.